Today, after that, in the modern world, although they demonize China now, it has always been considered the first, from the turn of the century to the 70s or 80s, even the 90s, Chinese were considered a model minority. Why? They work very hard. They work very hard. They ask for very little, and they succeed, and they don't create trouble. No? And so, even this is Leland Stanford, the founder of Stanford University, commenting on the Chinese. The demand for labor increased, and the Chinese were hired at 30 to 50% less. That means they were getting paid less than the blacks. You can say that. Yeah, getting paid less, and they cover their own food and lodging. No? So that's why. But these original Chinese were kidnapped from China because there was a shortage of labor. Were kidnapped from China. A lot of them died along the way. They went there, but they found a chance to make a living. They just went on and made a living. And a lot of them died building the railroads in China, but they're not being recognized that much. No? A lot of them died because they had to use dynamite. They had to go through the hills, and actually, they did the same thing in Baguio. But it wasn't as dangerous here in Baguio. But so a lot of the East Coast portions, the money that went to put up Princeton, Yale, Harvard, a lot of that is from opium and slave trading in China. You know, that fortune. Next, please.